is how you void warranty.
Your warranty's void. Cam. He's working on it. He's so close to the zapper. Oh, there he got like a piece of it got against the zapper. Like an antenna. I saw the antenna like burst into flames. Channel 5 News.
Beard on the stuff?
Yeah. Ooh.
Should I stick a thing? Yeah, you got it.
Yeah. Me? You're gonna get demonetized because you just did sex.
You just did sex.
This is the Edward Collins.
Is there shorter ones?
Of Collins,
Yes.
Collinsworth.
Ed Collins?
Ed Collins? Collinsworth?
I don't know why there's two long ones. Oh,
They're for the long holes.
son of a bitch.
Dipshit.
Alrighty. So, today's, I have no idea what day it is. But anyway, moving forward, today was a big day. I trailered the car back from my house over to the shop. And, gonna get hitting heavy now. So, hopefully tonight, I don't know, there's probably going to be a lot of these days mixed into one video, but I pulled some of the trans stuff back apart because I wanted to Loctite a lot of these adapter bolts, and ended up breaking one of the hex sockets, so I had to pick up another one and gonna get that all wrapped up, put back together, put the bell on, and get the clutch and all mated up to the motor. And we'll see what we have time for. If possible, I'd like to get it set in the car tonight and start doing all the little piddly shit that I can't do until the motor's in. Other than that, I still have to work out kinks in the tune that I'm going to use for startup, just to make sure, not make sure, I know something's going to leak. There's going to be at least 1 or 2 leaks, if not quite a bit more. But I want to get it fired up, let it break in a little bit, and yeah, basically take care of all the little leaks and little bugs that I'm going to have when she first starts. So we're going to get going on that.
And here we have Jake doing Jake
We have a
things.
machine shop at my work, and the guy, it used to be a separate company, but that guy,
So what are we doing tonight
most
there,
of his parts are in
Cheeky?
space.
Well, we got, oh geez, why are you always in my face?
Because it's a camera. That's what you're supposed to do. Isn't that what you do?
Yes, yes.
Well, it's a wide angle lens to make us look chubby.
No, so
I think it makes me look shaped nicer.
Yeah, all that bolts Loctite.
Hides my muffin top.
Everything. Then the
Oh yeah, so
clutch. We got the clutch
little
on.
clutch
After a very nice phone call with Collins.
nipple.
I got some video of that.
Oh yeah,
Conversation
we'll
as
add
well.
that.
Yo, we have like 110 followers, man. It's getting serious.
135.
130. Here I go.
Yeah, can you just grab the crank pulley and turn it?
Yeah,
The
actually.
burger's still on it.
Yeah, some.
quality YouTube content here.
Always.
It might have gone on more.
Close the gap. I think it did.
Yeah,
like,
can someone like tighten? Oh jeez, I'm still doing trans pushing things.
You're doing a great job.
I'm against.
Biting me though. Ow.
I'm against.
Sharp machine things.
Yeah.
Wow, Collins.
How's your stress level there? It's low. It's low.
All right, let's.
Is it low?
Do a wiggle test. I think it's
You're
on.
still going.
This
It's
feels
bottomed.
really weird.
It's going.
No,
my
it's
foot.
bottomed. Well, it's
We
damn
got a gap,
close.
yeah.
But it's definitely like in where it needs to be now.
I don't think this is gonna hurt you, but then again, I don't know nearly as much as you do.
I don't know much.
That's saying some shit.
So tonight on, I don't know. We're gonna put this in that. But you can't see it. 'Cause
So
it's
what
dark
happened?
out.
I don't think we went
Dodge?
over any of that.
Oh, right, yeah. So Jake got a thinger, and we put it all together,
Yeah.
and then it didn't spin. We did not spin it yet, though. You should probably do that.
Yeah. Yeah, it went into gears, but that doesn't mean anything. But no, Collins basically sent me a T56 slave, and I think he got confused because I told him exactly what clutch I had. It's a twin disc, and the T56 slave is for a single disc
Two
clutch.
discs.
And so we got it all together, and it locked the motor up tight because the slave was pushing in on the clutch.
So we activated the magical Tim device, and we figured out how to measure the stuff. And Jake got his Tillman,
Tilton.
Titten,
Tintin.
Titten, got the Titten in there.
Adaptalizer. Say the word right.
The adaptalizer, and it's in there. And
We're all good.
we're gonna turn the motor over here real briefly just to make sure that it works, and then we're gonna stab it into the car.
You spin it because if you roll it off.
And now, after much testing, we know that the engine and transmission are mated together and they spin.
That's thorough testing.
Thorough testing. Thorough testing has been done.
Certify it.
Certified, signed, sealed, delivered. Got the stamp of approval signed by the sitting U.S. president that it is in fact a functional transmission. Now we're going to put it in. You have been
I'm new to the
picking. He
channel,
has been
that's
picking a song for a long time.
What I
yeah,
was
this
saying.
is Tyler. Tyler
new.
also likes Toyotas.
Do I?
He also
Well,
black as
he also
bought-
owns Toyotas.
There you go.
And other stuff.
So we're gonna dive it in, set it on the motor mounts, and let it just kind of hang down a little bit. We probably could throw the floor jack under just so it doesn't fully go down. Get the nuts on the motor mounts, and then if we feel so pretty, get the engine lift off of it, and then jack up the front of the car to be able to get under there, because the cross member for the CD trans, there's a specific way you have to do it so it doesn't like bind up on itself and you're not sitting under there swearing for hours. So
A lot of things I didn't know. So we're gonna put the
I read the
motor in.
instructions.
We're gonna put the two bolts on, and then we're gonna bolt the exhaust manifold and shit on, so you can have your turbo for your Instagram photo.
no.
Okay, cool.
Alright, so last few weeks have been chaotic at best. Trying to get this thing ready to start. didn't really film a lot of the kind of dumb bits because it's just nobody wants to see that. Regardless though, I was working with a tuner this morning and we got it fired up. Now I still have another probably week's worth of random stuff to finish wiring, as you can see, and reroute a couple things. I had to last minute rig a few things just to get it started up and get a essentially startup tune and broke it in. But now that we got the oil changed, we'll start it up here.